SaneBox can also help you keep track of reminders and to-dos right in your inbox. When you log into your SaneBox account, you'll see a reminders feature here. Click to view, and then you can create a reminder for yourself that will deliver in the future. For instance, I can click the to field, and I can say in 1 minute or in 1 month or even in 1 year. I can choose to repeat this reminder and then click set reminder time, and then type in your subject, which would be your task or to-do. I'll click create reminder. Then in 1 minute, I'm going to get an email with that reminder. And there you'll see that reminder email just showed up in my inbox. And here in the email, I can choose for SaneBox to remind me again in a certain number of hours, weeks, or even a month. Now, what makes SaneReminders powerful is you don't need to log into SaneBox to create these. You can just send an email with this formatting, a number, period, and then a time scale. So minutes, hours, and days. So if you want to be reminded in 5 hours, you can just send an email to 5.hours@sanebox.com from the account where SaneBox is connected, and SaneBox will automatically remind you. You can even add the word every with a period at the beginning, and then this will repeat every 5 hours. If you've created a repeating reminder and you want to cancel it, you can always log back into your SaneBox account and then delete it here. Then you can forward emails that you find in your inbox to the SaneReminder address or CC that address, and SaneBox will remind you of those emails you need to take care of. You can even sync those reminders to your calendar to keep track of them in 2 places. And that's how to use SaneBox reminders.